European Commission has launched several instruments for the decarbonization targets established by 2030, and hydrogen is a key element. So today's session we have discussed about what are the challenges that we have to face in the very short term in order to accelerate implementation of the renewable hydrogen.
Renewable energy is the electrification is the first way to pursue to decarbonize all the sectors that can be electrified. Still, there are some sectors which are called R2-based sectors that we need additional tools, and green hydrogen in the specific sectors will play an important role. In terms of challenges that green hydrogen has, we know that today green hydrogen is not competitive from an economical point of view, but we know and we are aware that can be in the future if from a technological point of view a drastic reduction of technological costs together with the increase of efficiency and sustainability on new solutions will occur. And we also are aware that the market of new potential solutions that can reach those targets are continuously increasing in the market. So the opportunity is to find a way to help them scale to industrial level, to the commercialization level, so we can rely on new technologies that will drive the cost down and help us in decarbonize our societies.
We have discussed about if we want to scaling up the projects, how we can reduce costs, how we can extend the life of these electrolyzers and the main equipment, and how the hydrogen valleys could contribute to achieve these targets for the hydrogen.
There are right now 2 hydrogen valleys, let's say, up and running in Europe. Green Highland is a specific type because we are a hydrogen valley on an island. It's really necessary to make sure that you have the good leadership from the private sector, and at the same time a good level of public support from the authorities. To make sure that you have the entire value chain from production of green electricity all the way to its final uses. And you have to make sure that the demand is well anchored. You know what your clients want, and you set up the system and a project to make sure that you fill those needs.
At EPRI, we're collaborating in several projects, in programs and initiatives, as for example the Renewable hydrogen project that we are launching in Europe. So in this project, we have included most of the challenges that we have already discussed today, how we can optimize the renewable resources to hydrogen production, how we can scale up facilities from some megawatts to 102 megawatts, how we can extend the lifetime of these electrolyzers, and aspects regarding, for example, the performance and the degradation. So also we are working with these companies and with these organizations in order to have a better understanding about regulations, standardization, safety issues, and of course all about the environmental aspects.